Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally put into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open. The story comes alive when we look a new adventure. There in your eyes, there in your eyes. It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat faster. Reach out and find your happily ever after. Find your happily ever after. The evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. Out there, strolling by the sand, taste the morning out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. Won't resent, won't despair. Oh, and then I won't care. I'll have spent one day out
Your destiny lies within you. You just have to be brave enough to see it, and then your journey begins. I will hear there every story, take hold of my own dream, be as strong as the seas are stormy, and loud as an eagle's scream. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky. Chase the wind, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? The sky is the sea, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know how far I'll go.
Trust me, having a best friend by your side opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
That's what friends are for.
Mr. Aladdin, sir, I'm a wish for 2 or 3. I'm on the top, you bring me back. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend, never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend. Never had a friend like me.
Some people are worth melting for.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. And at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you.
The flower that blooms in Varsity is the most beautiful of all.
The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all.
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome would be waiting for me,
Where the crowds would cheer when they see my face,
and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end. But yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day. Just look up and reach to the sky. We all have the courage to fly.